In today's world, practice development, business development has become an even more important issue for us. Practice development, business development was never not an important issue. Even back in the 1800s and 1700s, lawyers needed to have business in order to do what they do, in order to put food on the table. It's just that we're more aware of it, I think, at a conscious level today than we ever were before. And particularly in tough economic times, we see revenue and new clients being far more important than ever before. One of the techniques that's been used rather successfully by many people to increase their client base, to increase their revenue, has been the concept of networking. And in fact, networking has become a business in itself. There are a number of networking organizations around the country whose sole purpose is to enable people to meet one another, get together with one another, and to network for increased business in their respective professions. I'd like to talk about a few techniques that you might be able to use to improve your networking skills. First of all, if you join one of these groups, make sure that the people in the group are the kind of people that are your target audience, or alternatively, are the people who can refer to you people in your target audience. That's number one. Too many times we're joining networking group, we're meeting with folks, but they really have no skill, they have no basis, they have no Rolodex, if you will, to enable referrals of a kind that we need. Secondly, make sure that the groups that you are networking with, at least the ones that you're meeting with on a regular basis, are no larger than, say, 25 or 30 people. Beyond that, it becomes too difficult to manage, and you're not going to get the kind of quality referral that you're looking for. Usually these kinds of groups will meet on a monthly basis, and they will go around the table after the introductions, and they'll ask for wants and needs and thank yous. Wants and needs are what you're looking for from the other people in the group to help you grow your business. And thank yous, which are really important and not done often enough, are merely public utterances of thank you to others within the group who have helped you in some way or another. It seems interesting, but I've been told that those people who give more thank yous than others are the ones who are seen as the leaders within the group and the people to whom other referrals constantly get made. Now, beyond this particular date or this particular meeting, in order to be really successful, it seems to me that you have to have some follow-up. And one of the elements of follow-up that's important is to get together with one or two or three of the folks within that group at a separate time in a separate meeting, whether it be for lunch or breakfast or just coffee in the afternoon, whatever it may be, to spend a little time with them to get to know them better, to find out more about their business and what they're looking for, who the ideal client or customer is that they're looking for. And I think bottom line to this whole process is to remember that the ones that are successful are the ones who are the givers. Seek and ye shall find, give and ye shall receive. And I know that those are probably inappropriate quotations from the Bible, but I think you understand the essence of where I'm going. It's those people who are giving who are the ones who will receive in the end. And if you want to look to the laws of physics, you can understand the concept that the universe abhors a vacuum. The more you give, the more there will be created a vacuum you have not yet received. Some way, somehow, someone within the group will cause a referral to be made to you as your way of being paid back. I think both the biblical as well as the laws of the universe confirm the fact that networking works, and those who look to find ways to help others are often helped more themselves. Thanks for joining us today.